Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony 1 price update, and the current price for Harmony is at the $0.22 mark. We are continuing to see very positive things on the Harmony chart, and from the all-time high, the market is the high we made on 14th of January. The market is down by 41%, and what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart I'll start by giving a very quick review of what has been happening on this chart. So at around July of 2021, we started seeing higher prices for Harmony 1 in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and a wave 5, which took us to an all-time high at the $38 mark. And from that point, we started seeing an ABC correction. So whatever we have on this other side is just an ABC correction, which took us to around the $0.16 mark. And I also have some key supports and resistances which are very key, and we need to continue watching them. One at the $0.15 mark, a key resistance at the 0.26, and another one at the $0.33 mark. And from that overview, I can now give you some of my predictions that I expect to see on this chart. And one of the key predictions is that we can continue seeing higher prices for Harmony 1 and maybe touch this resistance that we have on the $0.26 mark. And once that happens, we can get rejected. And if it happens that we get rejected on this zone, I'll expect us to have a downtrend to the $0.15 mark. And if that support does not hold, we can unlock even lower prices and even touch the $0.11 mark. So that's my first case scenario. Also, the other key scenario is that I'm basing it on the Elliott wave, the ABC correction that we have. So for me, I think that this ABC correction didn't do whatever it needed to do. I expected it to hit the $0.13 mark, but that didn't happen. So we touched the 0.16, and then we had a bounce to the upper side. So what I expect is that maybe even though we are having higher prices, that could not be it. Maybe we can have lower prices so that we can complete this ABC correction that we have over here. And then once that is done and we touch the $0.13 mark, we can then have a bounce back to the upper side, break all these resistances that we have over here, and make it to an all-time high. So that's my that's my second case scenario, which I expect to play out. Also, adding on the fact that Bitcoin might be in another sell-off, so we might also see a sell-off for Harmony 1 and maybe reach that target level on the $0.13 mark. So those are the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart. And whatever I've said is not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. And I'll keep you updated on how the market plays out, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell.